Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve quiz for food technology program. The question number 1 is the oldest method of food preservation is dash 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 and the options are A canning, B drying, C freezing and D sterilization. And the correct answer is option B drying. Question number 2 is which salt is used to cure meat and the options are A nitrates, B nitrites, C both A and B and D none of these. And the correct answer is C both A and B. Question number 3 is the main ingredient of the brine is dash 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 and the options are A sugar, B salt, C flavor, D all of these. And the correct answer is option B salt. Question number 4 is the process of canning was invented by dash 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 and the options are A Nicholas Appert, B Nicholas Appert, C Peter Durand and D none of these. And the correct answer is option A Nicholas Appert. Question number 5 is irradiation of food is the exposure of food to dash 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 and the options are A gamma rays, B high energy electron X-rays, C both A and B and D none of these. And the correct answer is option C both A and B. Question number 6 is select the correct example of antimicrobial preservatives and the options are A calcium propionate, B sodium nitrate, C sulfites and D all of these. And the correct answer is option D all of these. Question number 7 is which vitamin is called as natural antioxidant and the options are A vitamin C, B vitamin D, C vitamin E and D all of these. And the correct answer is option A vitamin C. Question number 8 is dash 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 are specially formulated to prevent or retard oxidation of oils and fats. And the options are A humectants, B stabilizers, C antioxidants and D both A and C. And the correct answer is option C antioxidants. Question number 9 is which acid is used as chelating agent and the options are A malic acid, B tartaric acid, C citric acid and D all of these. And the correct answer is option D all of these. Question number 10 is generally the temperature in the modern refrigerator is maintained between dash 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 and the options are A 0 degree Celsius to 4 degree Celsius, B 4 degree Celsius to 10 degree Celsius and C minus 4 degree Celsius to 10 degree Celsius and D all of these. And the correct answer is option B 4 degree Celsius to 10 degree Celsius. Question number 11 is select the correct type of centrifugal separations and the options are A differential centrifugation, B density gradient centrifugation, C both A and B and D none of these. And the correct answer is option C both A and B. Question number 12 is the modern techniques where moisture contents from the foods are removed at much lower temperature under frozen conditions and vacuum is called as dash dash dash. And the options are A vacuum drying, B freeze drying, C quick drying and D both A and B. And the correct answer is option B freeze drying. Question number 13 is in controlled atmospheric storage the oxygen level is reduced to dash 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 percentage and the options are A 1 to 2%, B 21%, C 79% and D none of these. And the correct answer is option A 1 to 2%. Question number 15 is select the correct example of class 1 preservative and the options are A sugar, B salt, C honey and D all of these. And the correct answer is option D all of these. Question number 14 is microfiltration is used to separate colloids from polymers with the pores of dash 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 and the options are A 0.1 to 1 micron, option B 0.001 to 0.1 micron, option C 1 to 10 micron and option D all of these. And the correct answer is option A 0.1 to 1 micron. Question number 16 is select the correct example of class 2 preservative and the options are A edible oils, B benzoates, C nitrites and D both B and C. And the correct answer is option D, both A, B and C. Question number 17 is the electromagnetic radiation is transmitted through empty space at dash 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 meters per second. And the options are A, 3 into 10 raised to 8, option B, 3 into 10 raised to 6, option C, 6 into 10 raised to 4, and option D, none of these. And the correct answer is 3 into 10 raised to 8. Question number 18 is the foods that can be prepared and served very quickly are called as dash dash dash. And the options are A, easy foods, option B, magic foods, option C, fast foods, and option D, all of these. And the correct answer is option C, fast foods. Question number 19 is the term GRAS stands for dash dash dash. And the options are A, generally regarded as safe, option B, generally rated as safe, option C, generally regarded as superior, and option D, none of these. And the correct answer is generally regarded as safe. Question number 20 is an intelligent combination of hurdles that secures the safety from microbes and ensure no loss of nutritional quality and economic viability of foodstuff is called as dash dash dash. And the options are A, doodle technology, B, food technology, C, hurdle technology, and D, both A and B. And the correct answer is option C, hurdle technology. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Wish you all the best for the exam. Have a good day.